Welcome back to the 𝐒𝐨𝐥𝐥𝐤 channel. In today's video, we'll be highlighting 5 exceptional car gadgets that will elevate your driving experience. Each of these products provides a unique and practical solution to common challenges faced by car owners. You'll grab these amazing gadgets super affordable price from the links in the description below. Let's get started with today's tech showcase. This is an Endoscope Snake 2.0 megapixel camera, available on Amazon with a 4.6 rating and over 1,000 units sold in the past month. It is easy for anyone to use and features a 210-degree rotating camera, a 4.3-inch color screen, and 3 modes of LED lights. With this, you can see in places where visibility is impossible, such as under a car engine or around it, and capture images of blind spots. It also comes with 3 extra accessories: a hook, magnet, and side mirror. Its best feature is its flexibility, allowing you to use it for checking blockages in household plumbing, pipes, or kitchen drains, solving these issues effectively. Since it is water and oil-proof, it is a game-changer for auto mechanics and plumbers. This is car scanner tool available on Amazon with 4.6 rating, over 10,000 PCS sold in past month. If the engine light on during driving, don't worry, you can use this amazing gadget to check your car problem from home. It connects to your mobile via Bluetooth and performs a complete scan of your vehicle, including the airbag and ABS systems. After scanning, it will notify you about the issue in your car. You can then visit a mechanic, explain the problem, and get it fixed, saving both time and money. Additionally, you can view your car's full performance on your mobile screen. This is must-have in your car to make your journey easier and safer. This is an advanced device that allows you to control the garage gate from your mobile phone. It has available on Amazon with strong 4.3-star rating. Over 10,000 units have been sold in the last month. With a single click, you can open or close the garage gate from your phone, and real-time notifications are sent directly to your device whenever the gate is operated, no matter where you are. You can also set a schedule for the gate to automatically open and close. This highly efficient and secure solution is an indispensable tool for car owners and individuals seeking enhanced convenience and security. Looking for an easy and reliable way to diagnose your car's issues? Meet the top-rated AD310 OBD2 scanner, trusted by both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This compact, durable device quickly reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, identifies the cause of your check engine light. With a 2.5-foot flexible cable, sleek design, and a large, easy-to-read screen, the AD310 is built for convenience and portability. It delivers fast, accurate results in seconds, powered directly from your vehicle's OBD2 connector. No batteries or chargers required. Portable, efficient, and user-friendly, the AD310 is the perfect addition to your automotive toolkit. Available on Amazon with an impressive 4.6-star rating and over 30,000 units sold last month. Take control of your car's health today. This is an electric rechargeable air duster with a Type-C charging port, LED light, and 3 speed modes. It has a 4.4 rating on Amazon and over 9,000 units sold in the past month. Its 7,500 mAh battery allows for continuous use for 20 to 40 minutes. The powerful motor delivers up to 100,000 RPM on the 3rd mode, providing a strong cleaning performance. It also features a screen display that shows battery and airflow status. The design is sleek and beautiful, and it can be used to clean household items such as computer towers, keyboards, camera lenses, etc. It can also be used to inflate swimming rings and many more purposes.